Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you wish to become a better designer, but it seems as though you have no mentor to check your design, no mentor to correct your errors, no mentor to rate your design? Chill. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step how you can become a better designer, how you can put your design out there with 100% confidence that it meets all design standards. Note, I'm not discouraging you not to have a mentor. It's good to have a mentor, but if at all you have nobody around to check your design, to rate your design, I will teach you how you can put your design out there, how you can have 100% confidence in your design, and also make necessary amendments to your design. So if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Do well to also share with friends, because I'll be posting more videos and I won't want you to miss them out. So let's jump in.
So what I'm going to do now is I will upload one of my designs to ChatGPT. So I'll upload one of my designs to ChatGPT. Then I will tell it to help me rate the design. I'll tell it to help me rate the design. Yeah. So, and it will also state areas of improvement. It should also state areas in which I need improvement in the design. So it's going to analyze the design and states everything, write out everything for me. So yeah, so that this is it. So looking at it from the beginning, it says the overall rating for the design is 8.3/10. That's a strong rating. So he said what I did where I did add a strong visual concept, typography, hierarchy, color harmony, good subject. So areas of improvement, he said I should reduce the outer glow, I should increase the contrast and make the design, the text slightly sharper. So these are just the areas in which it wants me to make improvements.
That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do well to like, do well to comment, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to share with friends and rate one of your designs and drop your feedback in the comment section. So bye.